Hello everyone, this is Archana Singh. Welcome to NANC Nikhil Archana NEET classes. So today let us talk about genetic engineering with synthetic messenger RNA. So as you know, genetic engineering, which is also known as genetic modification or genetic manipulation, is the direct manipulation of an organism's gene using biotechnology. Now it actually helps in producing hormones, vaccines and other drugs. Now it has helped to cure genetic diseases, and that too all by the gene therapy. So this means that by changing base pair like adenine with thymine or cytosine with guanine, or deleting a whole region of DNA, or introducing an additional copy of gene, we can manipulate. Now, it also means that extracting DNA from another organism's genome and combining it with DNA of that individual. Now, it helps scientists to enhance or modify the characteristic of an individual organism. So, see, genetic engineering can also be used to produce plants that have a higher nutritional value or can tolerate a risk of exposure to herbicide. So let us now discuss the process of genetic engineering, how it takes place. Now, for this, a small piece of circular DNA, which is called as plasmid, is extracted from bacteria or yeast cell. A small section of the plasmid is cut out by a restrictive enzyme, or also called as molecular scissor. Now, then the gene for human insulin is inserted into the gap in the plasmid. Now, this plasmid is genetically modified. It is ready. Now, the genetically modified plasmid then introduced into a new bacteria or yeast cell, which then again divide repeatedly and start making the required hormone. Like for example, if we carry out for a diabetic patient, then making of insulin, how it is made? In order to create large amount of cells, the genetically modified bacterium or yeast cell are grown, which are grown in large fermentation vessels that contains the required nutrient. The more cells divide, the more insulin or required hormone is produced. So when fermentation is complete, the mixture is filtered to release insulin. Now this insulin is then purified, packaged into bottles, and insulin pens also is distributed to the patients. See, benefits are many. Like more nutritious food can be produced using this genetic engineering or manipulation or modification of genes. Diseases and drought resistant plants requiring few environmental resources can be modified. But as you know, there are certain risks of genetic engineering. Why? Because there are chances of cross contamination, विडीनेस ज़्यादा हो सकता है, वाइल्ड लाइफ पॉइजन हो सकता है. Now creation of new viruses and worse viruses and many more new risk. So for example, जैसे अभी COVID-19 है, corona virus, which is a modified mutated virus. So this is all for today. Rest of the thing in the next slide. So friends, starting point of all achievement is desire. So desire big and achieve greater heights. Thank you very much.